Hi, friends. How are you? We are going to have our small group, and our small group is very interactive today. We are playing Jumping Jolly, but we're playing it with a twist. Instead of jumping 3 times today, you're going to jump the amount of times of the number that I point to. So if we get to the Jumping Jolly card, and I point to 5, then you have to jump 5 times. If we get to jump in Jolly card and I point to 1, then you have to jump 1 time, okay? So you have to pay attention. Are you ready? Okay. It's still French jumping Jolly though, but with a twist. And we're saying the letter and the sound. B, 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 Beulah. C, C, Miss Charles. Jumping Jolly. All right, you're going to jump 9 times. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Okay. A, 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 A. For Allison. Whoops. Allison, Aiden, and Anthony. I, I, I. I is for Ian. Jumping Jolly. All right. This time you have to jump 8 times. 8 times. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, let's keep going. N, Nahum, Nina, Noah. Jumping Jolly. This time you have to jump 4 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. This is S, S, Sophia. D, 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 Dewan. E, 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 Edwin. Jumping Jolly. This time you have to jump 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. J, 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 Jet, Johan, Jose. M, M, Miss McNair. Jumping Jolly. This time you have to jump 3 times. 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Very good. L, L, O, Landon. K, K, Kareem and Kingston. G, 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 Grace. Jumping Jolly. This time you have to jump 5 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we did Beulah and B. Let's go one more time. Jumping Jolly. This time I want you to jump 7 times. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good, friends. Friends, We want to learn all of our letters and letter sounds. So Miss Charles would love if you could watch this video every day. I'm going to send it to your parents to their phone so that you can just tap on it and watch it every day so that you can continue practicing your letters and letter sounds, okay? All right, friends, I will see you later. Have a good day.